In front of me is INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Users and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and tap on any password that you wish to edit. I will go with my booking one. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!